she's like a digital radio. Come on, police, arrest this girl. Her killer hairdo is making me feel ill, and we have crashed a party, yeah. This is what you get. This is what you get. This is what you get when you mess with us. When you mess with us. Come on, police, I've given all I can. It's not enough. I've given all I can, but we're still on the payroll. Yeah, yeah. This is what you get. This is what you get. This is what you get when you mess with us. When you mess with us. And for a minute I lost myself. I lost myself. Yeah, and for a minute I lost myself. I lost myself. And for a minute I lost myself. I lost myself. And for a minute I lost myself. I lost myself. Oh, hey, the woman that I love is 40 feet tall. She's a movie star. She's all in the papers, and everywhere I go, people hand me quarters and they pat me on the back. They treat me like I'm famous. I never leave a side, 'cause two, they can be dangerous. And when the night arrives, the light hits her features and the cars drive by, just so they can see her. And she never bats an eye when someone takes a picture. And Mr. Officer, if you come to take her, then that means one of us gon' end up in a stretcher. Say, Mr. Officer, If you come to take her, then that means one of us gonna end up in the stretcher, say. Gonna end up in the paper. Gonna end up in the paper. If I had a pistol, I'd brandish it and wave it. She's the only one alive that knows that I'm not crazy. She's gonna testify on my behalf down at the Navy, so I can get some peace and provide for my babies. Out a stick and a bottle, I pretend I got a razor. Helicopters and cameras are shooting for the station. They say that a wild man defending his lady, but for some odd reason they calling you a pain and say, Mr. Officer, if you come to take her, then that means one of us gonna end up in a stretcher, say. Mr. Officer, if you come to take her, then that means one of us gonna end up in a stretcher, say. If you come to take her, then that means one of us gonna end up in a stretcher, say. Mr. Officer, if you come to take her, then that means one of us gonna end up in a stretcher, say. Mr. Officer, if you come to take her, then that means one of us gonna end up in a stretcher, say. Mr. Officer.